Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Abby and today I will be reviewing slash just kind of using because I mean it's Jeffree Star, so there's nothing to review. He's just amazing as is. But I will be checking out his new palette that just released. So I will show me unboxing it right here as I tell you about what happened. I ordered this literally like the minute it was released, I ordered it, okay? Like I was on my phone ready, okay? And it said give it 5 to 7 days for it to be processed because there's so many people that are buying it, and then like from then on like another 5 days or whatever for it to ship. I ordered it and I was super excited and I was like yes, I was like waiting for my little notifications to turn on and whatnot, and I go on up to the mail room because it said that I had received a package, so I was like must be the Jeffree Star, and I get there and they're like sorry, it's a different package, and I was like well where's this one? This one said it arrived last night, I haven't gotten a notification for it. And she was like well let's give it like a little bit longer and then we'll see. And according to like the actual tracking number, it was supposed to have been delivered like 3 or 4 days prior to this. The address is supposed to be connected to the tracking number, and for some reason the tracking number was connected to someone else's address, and so they couldn't give it, they couldn't get it to me. So I ended up going all over Dallas looking for my palette, but I finally found it. It was beautiful. I already washed my face and I moisturized it, and if it's red it's because I also shaved my face for you guys. But first off, I'm going to start off with primer. So I'm going to prime my eyelids. I'm using the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion and it's still broken. I guess I was really rushed when I was shaving my face because I definitely, this shows like I try to be one of those cute girls who are like oh my god my life is perfect and like everything's perfect, like I've got my nails done, everything's good. But look at, can we just look at that? That's what happens when Abby tries to be a cute girl. Anyways, all right, so now they gave me these samples at Sephora for like some sort of eye cream because I told them I didn't use one and they were like oh. So I'm gonna use the M421 from Morphe to put it under my eyes, because if your girl sticks her finger in there the eye cream's gonna get all up under my nails. So I'm gonna start off with my e.l.f. contour brush. As you can see, it's pretty dirty. So I'm gonna go in with Untouchable first. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. And I'm just gonna put that all over the crease, and that's gonna be like sort of like my transition color. So yeah. I'm going to use the e.l.f. 202 brush to really pack in Blue Monday on the crease. Go back in with the contour brush and I'm going to use Untouchable again to just kind of blend out the top part of Blue Monday a little bit. the Fenty. My shade is 230. So now that I've got my foundation on and I've been able to kind of my eyeshadow, I'm going to cut my crease using the Makeup Forever HD Ultra HD Concealer, and I am in the shade 22. That is what it looks like. Okay, so literally what I've learned that I wish people would have told me way before is that you literally just put like the concealer on and then you like look anywhere at all, and like you see how it goes, like the line, that's where you cut it. You know, I spent so many years trying to do the cut crease and it just never worked out because I always did it exactly where my crease is, but my eyes are slightly hooded. Now I'm going to use the Morphe M421, the same one that I used for my and I'm going to perfect that line. Okay, so now that I have that sort of look, I'm going to go back in with the 202 e.l.f. contour or e.l.f. brush, and I'm going to make sure that that little line that I left of blue is just really concentrated. So I'm going to use the same M421 brush and go into Crystal Flesh. Oh wow. And then just press that down. So I'm actually thinking about using one of these because I also got the small lip, what are they called? Liquid lipsticks. The mini Velour liquid lipsticks set. So I think I'm going to use one of these for my eyeliner, and I think I'm going to use Jawbreaker. So I'm going to dip, I have this M2500, it's so tiny. So I'm going to use this to try and get the perfect eyeliner. Hopefully it works because I've never done this before, but I see people do it all the time and it looks really cool. Don't mess up, Abby. That if y'all want to do like eyeliner with these lipsticks, I would definitely recommend this brush because it's very precise. Like, I'm surprised I haven't messed up right now. Okay, so now that I have this, I'm still not done because I want to add, I just definitely went off room. I want to add some black eyeliner because I feel like black really adds a lot of dimension. So I'm going to tightline and do my waterline with the Maybelline Lasting Drama Waterproof Gel Pencil. This is what it looks like, and of course, it's not freaking sharpened because nothing I ever do is completely right. So now that I have that done, I'm going to also use the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Eyeliner to just kind of do the same kind of winged look, but right where the blue is. So right under the blue, I'm going to connect it with the lighter blue. And then we can do the concealer and clean this up because that's annoying me. Go hard when it comes to concealer because I don't sleep. I always feel like I kind of just want to go out like this one day and see the reaction that I'll get if I just go out with my concealer like this. Okay, so now I'm going to blend. My camera's about to die, so now I gotta speed it up. If it dies, I'm still uploading this video because I'm not about to do this all over again. Okay, so here's the deal. I'm gonna bake my face and basically do everything else off camera because I feel like the majority of you guys just want to know if I like the palette, you know what I'm saying? So I'll be back. Anyways, and pause. Alright, I'm back. So I went ahead and straightened my hair, and I also added, what color was it? I added Ocean Ice to the bottom. I don't know if you can see. And to the bottom of, what am I saying? To the bottom of my eyelash line? Whatever, you get what I'm saying. And then I put Medusa on my lips, and I went ahead and did my whole face, my blush, my bronzer, my contour, everything. So this is basically the look that I came up with. I'm actually pretty happy with it. And I'm gonna go ahead and do those swatches. So first off, I would like to say that these are absolutely amazing. They are so like soft, if you know what I mean. Like they just go on, they're just perfect. And then the lipsticks, they're perfect as well. Like I've tried other lipsticks from him and they're always good. This is my first time trying them as eyeliner though, and they performed great. Like it was basically like I was putting eyeliner on. So yeah, it was really awesome. The color payoff was amazing. Everything was great. And I completely recommend them. I got them both the Blue Blood palette and the lipstick kit, including taxes and all that. It was $104. I would still do it again. I think that they're awesome, and when you get the minis, it's like you can see which ones you use more often before buying like a bigger one. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. But anyways, I will insert pictures of the swatches. So yeah.